Greeting guys, so welcome back. So in this tutorial we'll be saying how to install Llama and testing Mistral AI model locally. So today we'll be learning the process of setting up your environment to work with Llama for your LLM inference. So let's dive in. So here is the GitHub repository. So from where you can see what are the models the OLLM supports. Like it can support LLM and also Mistral. So today we will be testing with Mistral. So we will try to install the OLLM tool in our local machine, and then we will be pulling the model from the OLLM server. For that we have to use Ollama and Mistral. So yeah, we will be seeing one by one in the coming session. So why we need like LLM? So LLM is needed for several reasons. First is it allows the developers to work with LLM without the hassle of deploying changes to the cloud. The second one is it ensures like privacy and security since your data which stays on your local machine. And then third is like it can be like more cost effective as especially if you're running the models so frequently. And also lastly it gives you more control over the models that you use. Okay. So yeah, let's dive into install this Llama in our local machine. So we are in the official site of Langchain where we have the documentation to how we can run our Llama in local machine with Langchain. Okay, so yeah, first we have to go here to the quick start, and then we have to download the Llama from here. So yeah, it's downloading. Yeah, so it's done. Once we have the zip file we will be unzipping it, and yeah, so we will be installing it. So it need permission to install on our machine. Yeah, so it's done. So we can run any model like LLM 2 or like Mistral from local machine now. So once the installation is finished, we will be trying to pull the model that we're gonna use. As I said earlier, we will be using Mistral for this purpose, and yeah, the model size would be like 4.1 giga. So let me copy the command and yeah, run it in the command terminal. So if you see like it just started the pulling. Yeah, so now we have installed the Llama app in our machine, and then we have just pulled the model Mistral to use with Langchain. So if you see here to use the Llama we need a Langchain community should be installed on our machine. So let me do pip install. So if you see here, we have installed Langchain community. Once it's done, we can import the Ollama, and we have to initialize Ollama with the model name. So here we will be using Mistral, and then we will be calling the model with the query. Let's test our model. Yes, wow, it's amazing. So let me try the streaming with Ollama. So if you see here, we will be importing the callback manager and then streaming handler from Langchain for to stream our output directly. in the terminal. So we will initiating the Llama here, and then with the model name and then callback manager parameter. Once it's done, we'll be executing this. So we install Langchain in the current environment. Sorry for the inconvenience. Yeah, again we will be running the cell. Yeah, so you see here, like it's like streaming the output right now. So if you see here, we can use like RAG operations as well, fully locally using Ollama and Langchain. And the speed of inference, which will be depend on mostly on the CPU processing capacity and also with your data load. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Okay, we will see you in our next video.